Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you are welcome. If you are not subscriber, thank you for always being here. Watch this video till the end. Thanks. Place your bias on your neckline and sew. When you get to the V part, you fold the bias as you can see. Fold your bias like I did. Then you sew and make sure you get to the center V point. Then you lift your footer and shift to the other side. Then you sew. Cut the excess and notch the V part, the middle part of that V. Notch it, making sure that you don't cut it through. Then you fold the bias to the back and sew. Now when you get to the V part again, you fold the bias very well. Then you lift your footer and shift to the other side. And it is as simple as that. Can you see how neat it is? Before, I think bias cannot be used for taping v neckline, but after discovering this, I decided to share. Thank you for watching.